Alright, so this is the garbage disposal. It wasn't working. When you flip the switch, it made a humming noise. So you go underneath, and there's a reset button right there, the red button. That didn't work. So when that doesn't work, you take a 5/8 hex wrench and put it in that middle spot right there. So you put it in, you turn it a couple times to break free whatever's in there. And when whatever's in there broke free, run a little water, flip the switch, and now the garbage disposal works. Burn like a kitten.